good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. And if today is your very first time you view me here on my channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider the subscription buttons. Click on that red subscription, subscribe, and please do to on the notification bell so that when I do put in a new video, just like this particular one you are watching, any video guys, you can come and check it out yourself if this is the one that you truly need, or if there is anything you need to learn from any video I will be uploading. So without me wasting much of your time, if you really want to add more flesh, you guys know what I'm talking about, guys, because of YouTube rules and regulations. So I'm just gonna be saying it the way that you guys might understand, but because I know you guys will definitely, you guys know the reason why we are doing this video. So if you want to add more flesh to the one you are having right now, and there are ways you have to do it without going for any, so you understand me. So first of all, guys, let me use this opportunity to say this video is not meant for everybody, because I don't need a hateful comment or dislike. You can dislike is acceptable, is a kind of problem. You can like, dislike is acceptable, but hate comment is what I don't need. First of all, guys, if you depends of your opinion is not my opinion. What you want is not what I want. So this life is just like whatever you want to do it, provided you didn't do anything that will cause damage to your skin or to your health. You understand? So that is why I'm introducing this Rigel Herbal Gloves oil to you guys. So if you want to use this particular oil or glove oil, make sure you go for organic one. When I mean organic one, the herbal one, guys, the one that is really organic without being mixed or something else. This particular one, if you want to know real glove oil, it smells really bad. The smell is not, it doesn't smell good at all. It smells awful. That is the reason why I will advise you guys, if you want to use it, make sure you apply it in the evening, probably when you know you are not going out, because the scent is not nice. So if you want to add more flesh to the one that you are having, you feel like bringing it up, or you want your front side is down, you want to bring it up, you want to lift it up, you want it to look like 20 why will I put it, like someone that is just bringing out side front, you understand? So this oil will help you. Then after applying it, believe me, you're just gonna be putting on your shirt without putting on bra, something like that, because it works really good. And not only that, for those of you who don't, if you want to order for this, it is really affordable. I think that was I started using it 2 months ago. 2 months ago, I think I bought it close to, it's not €9 something or €8. It's not expensive. Even, I don't know, depends of the site you are getting it from. So I think I bought mine, that was something euro then, but it's not up to €10. It's really good. What I do, I apply it in the evening after taking my bath. I will just go ahead and use it after rubbing my body cream, guys. After rubbing my body cream, I will just use it as I will just use it to massage my flesh. I don't want to measure the nail, guys. I will just use it to massage my flesh. And if you feel like using it at your back, or that your back, your left and the right side, which is your hip, is really good. It can also help. But me, I can testify, I only use it on my front side and it works really good. And if you think you are too lazy to order for this, if you think you are too lazy to order for this, I would still be telling you guys what you need to do, how to make your own organic this particular glove, guys. But believe me, this one works good, because this one I'm about to show you guys how to do it. It's not that it doesn't smell, the smell is not just there, because this particular one smell, I don't know, guys, it's work magic, but the smell is what I'm scared of, and I don't want to use it. I don't want to be using it anyhow, because if I want to use this one, guys, I made I made my whole made separate, and I just had a little from this and had to eat. That way it will last for me, because 8 euro is big. Oh, 8 euro is big money compared to Nigerian money, guys. So that is what I've been doing for the past 2 months. And not only that, the most amazing part of it, guys, it will also help remove your, if you're having Clove, oh my god, Clove oil works magic, guys. As you apply it, the process of you adding weight in that place, it will still help get rid of if you're having those little, all those small stretch mark on your front side, it will also help get rid of it. It really work good. So guys, if you want to order this, go for it. It's affordable, and the reason why I said it's expensive, but 8 euro, if you convert it to Nigerian money, it's expensive, but it's affordable. You can get it, use it, mix it just the way I'm about to show you guys now. If you don't want to get it, you can just use this, the one I'm about to make as homemade, and the one I'm about to show you guys, and you can use just that. But I will advise you to go for this, buy this and mix it with that particular one you are doing yourself. That time you are applying it on your flesh, on your side, and use it to massage it very well. It work really good. So the prescription here is use it in the evening, because the scent is not nice. Like I said before, apply it in the evening. It's gonna work for you. Continue doing it for 1 month, 2 months, you will get your result. You don't need to spend money on anything like so. No, go for this. Take your time, do it gently. Take your time, be patient with it will definitely work out. Please, I can testify, guys. I'm telling you what worked for me. So it worked really good. So without me wasting much of your time, let me just show you guys how to do this Clove oil if you don't want to get this particular one. But this one smelled really bad, while the other one, you know, that one is just normal homemade. It doesn't have it smelled, I don't know how to, because it's not well it's not well mixed, it's not well prepared. Let me just put it that way, because there's something like something you bought from pharmacy, you bought it, they order it from you, they bought it online, you tell them, oh please, I need Cloves oil, because they know the real one, they know the original one. They will just go ahead and sell it, or sorry guys, they will go ahead and order it for you, which it will come out to be original. So the one I'm doing at home now, guys, is just normal homemade, because I feel like missing it with this particular one, because this one is super effective. It's very, the scent is not, it's not just there, but it work magic. So without me wasting much of your time, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the Clove. This is the Clove, and what I will do right now, guys, I will just go ahead and add extra oil. So this one is extra oil, virgin extra oil. It's really good, it's natural also. I will add a little of it. So just like this. And this is the, on here guys, this is the oil, the Clove oil. As you can see, like I said before, they order it for me from Apotheca. So if you can have it, it is really nice. And this is Clove oil, guys, Rigel Clove oil herbal. It's really good. So this is it right now, and I will just go ahead and add a little, because this particular one is very effective, and I don't like the smell. So that is the reason why I will be adding, that is the reason why I'm doing my own homemade and mixing this with teeth. So that is just it. Just 3 drop or 4 drop is okay. Then what I will do right now, guys, just mix everything together. And I will advise you, you all know that I don't like hotting my anything remedy that I'm doing. I don't like hotting them. I don't like putting it in hot water or anything hot substance. I just have to leave it like this. I'm going to be leaving it like this for the full day, let me say 24 hours, before I can start making use of it. So guys, that is just it. And if you want to use it, and if you want to apply it on your skin, if you want to apply it on your skin after taking your bath, just do it like this, gently, just like this, guys, like this. and make sure you do it gently, just like you know how to massage yourself. Now it's really that is the same way you should do it in your front, to give you that actual look that you want. Keep on doing it like that every day, every evening before going to bed. Keep on doing it, and believe me, you just gonna get the result. And guys, that is all for today. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching. And if you love this particular review, not review guys, if you love what I just said right now, because I know what I'm talking about, don't forget to like, share, and invite more of your friends, family to this channel. May God bless you guys as you do so. See you all in my next video. May God keep you and protect you during this protest, in Jesus' name. Amen. I love you all.